Okay, it's another day and another tips for your research journey. Today we are gonna talk about important topic, a basic fundamental topic in research, development of critical thinking skill in research. धेरैजनासँग तपाईँ सोध्नुभयो भने क्रिटिकल थिङ्किङ रिसर्च, क्रिटिकल थिङ्किङ स्किल इन रिसर्च भनेको के बुझिन्छ भन्ने भने धेरैको एन्सर हुनसक्छ कसैको कामको फल्ट पत्ता लगाउने, finding flaws, finding mistakes or criticize other works. That's the opposite. Actually, critical thinking is not about the finding flaws, it's about the finding boundaries of knowledge. Just keep in mind, it's not finding flaws. It's not about the finding flaws of other theories, other work, other project. It's finding the boundaries of knowledge, what other guys have done. Okay, I'll teach you some of the tips how you can develop your critical thinking while writing paper, revising paper, reading paper. First, if you are starting or if you are going to start a manuscript to read, कुनै एउटा manuscript तपाईँ पढ्दै हुनुहुन्छ, सुरु गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने first, for the development of this critical thinking, first step, give some respect to their work or have some empathy on their work, hard duty or hard work. If you can respect that work, then you can read throughout the manuscript. Then you can get that overall framework of that work, what they are doing, how they are doing, everything. Number first, remember, give some respect and have empathy before reading. Then read that manuscript throughout. Number two, have some skepticism, have some doubt. Why they are doing this? Why not this? Something like that. Create a why question in your mind. Then that can develop your some critical thinking skill now. It can be called as mapping of boundaries. We can term it mapping of boundaries with some questions. Like you can ask yourself, in which condition this theory is perfectly working, or this theory is perfectly matching or working. And another question you can think about, in which condition this theory start to fail, this project start to fail. That is the flaw. That is the flaw. You are respecting their project, you are respecting that paper you are reading, and you have some empathy for their work. Then at the end, you are asking why this boundary is there, why this theory is not working for this condition, why this theory is start to fail at this stage. That creates a new idea in your mind. That we called critical thinking skill. It's not about the criticism only. Okay? It gives you the novel ideas, new ideas on your mind. Okay? For example, सानो exampleमा हेर्यो भने हामी दुईटा group छ, there are two groups. They have a conflict on two theories. One group is telling you in a seminar or somewhere, imagine, this theory is this theory works perfectly, and another group is claiming that this theory doesn't work in this condition. But A theory is correct by one group, B theory is correct by another group. And you are in between, and what will you do? अब त दुईटा ग्रुपको बीचमा तपाईँ बस्नुभयो, तपाईँ एउटा ग्रुपको पक्ष लिएर बोल्नुभयो भने that is not critical thinking skill. तपाईँ ए ग्रुपमा जानुभयो अथवा बी ग्रुपमा जानुभयो, that is not your skill. But if you think like, why they are claiming A group like that and B group like that, you should think about that, why they are claiming their theory is perfect. Both of the group is claiming both of the theories are perfect. Then if you think about why they are telling this, then this is the critical skill. Flow with the river is not a critical skill, okay? Flow with the river. रिभर जता जान्छ त्यतितिर बग्नुलाई हामी क्रिटिकल स्किल भन्दैनौँ हैन। विशेष गरेर आजको कुराबाट हामीलाई के थाहा हुनु पर्यो, if you are starting or if you are going to read a paper, first have some respect and empathy before you read, then read throughout the manuscript from social science background or natural science, medical science, every person. And second, have some skepticism भन्छ हैन, सरी skepticism, doubt, केही डाउटहरु क्रिएट हुनु पर्यो, and ask some question to yourself. Then number 3, you can create some ideas, maybe that would happen better, or you can expand the knowledge. Critical thinking skill is definitely it is a process of expanding the boundaries of knowledge, not about the finding flaws, finding about the boundaries of knowledge and expanding about the boundary of knowledge. Yeah, this type of skill, if you want to expand with some guidance and training and by consulting with us, you can contact with us at Global Research Clinic. We can make you meet with the highly expert researcher, scientist. Yeah, I hope this can help you help to elaborate your knowledge on your research journey. See you next day.